Pauley's chambers?
Yes, I'm trying to reach Dean McGee or Kyle Wood.
You know, they're both away from their desks right now, but I can take a message to help you.
Oh, okay. Do you have a direct line, and I'll just leave a message on their machines?
Well, you can leave a message with me.
Okay, I'm sorry. Who are you?
My name's Allison. I'm another clerk with the judge.
Oh, okay, Allison? Okay. I sent an email to Kyle Wood, and I need to make sure that it gets to the judge. So,
first of all, what case is this?
Oh, it's Halleck et al. Versus the City of New York.
Yeah. Okay.
And I think I have the docket number around. Do you need it?
No, that's fine.
Okay. So there are affidavits, sworn affidavits, in that email. And I'm one of those, I was forthcoming with my, oh no, that contains my affidavit also. So if you would just touch base with Mr. Wood and have him give me a call back. I understand you're humble public servants. You're doing the best you can. No stress, no pressure, you know, at your earliest possible convenience. Okay?
So the issue, you just want to confirm that he received an email?
No, I want to do a little bit more than that. I'm a federal witness, and unfortunately I was unwarranted. I was physically assaulted yesterday as I was trying to leave the courthouse and go home, and it was a retaliatory gesture by the court security officers who tend to be off-duty police officers, because I caught a police officer lying. So I'm a federal witness. I deserve not to be beaten up. I also have spinal injuries, which I made everyone aware of, so this is an aggravated assault on me. And I believe that Judge Pauley, law clerk, was part of this yesterday. And Judge Pauley, with all due respect, could have put a stop to this. We were instructed, me and Dean Loren, who went to a hearing yesterday, we were instructed, because we've been in the courthouses in 500 Pearl Street, and other bailiffs and other court clerks and other judges have said simply, you know, if you need to, just raise your hand, we'll send a bailiff or a court clerk over and find out, take care of, you know, whatever's going on. So yesterday, before the hearing was over, I raised my hand politely and silently and asked to be recognized, and Judge Pauley, I don't know, you know, must have been went off the deep end. Dean Loren politely raised his hand and had simply, Judge Pauley addressed the fact that I was being stalked and harassed by court security officers. I never would have been physically assaulted, a federal witness, as I was trying to leave the federal courthouse. And that's pretty serious.
So you sent an email to Kyle. Okay.
Yes,
so
I also gave him the hard copies. Now, I had spoken to all the attorneys and everybody involved at about 9:45 before the hearing ever began, around 10 o'clock-ish. And there was no problem with anybody. The problem is with the court security officers and the U.S. Marshals, and it's come out in discovery in another federal case that in retaliation the U.S. Marshals put out an alert on me, and that was unwarranted, and that came out in discovery. So when I provided the affidavits to all the attorneys before the hearing, that's after the hearing is when I was physically assaulted.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I get your name?
Sure, it's on the email. It's Lydia, and the last name is Radin, R-A-D-I-N. Now, the U.S. Marshal, the Deputy U.S. Marshal who showed up yesterday, I had spoken to him at least 2 or 3 months ago during the Sheldon Silver trial, and he was supposed to find out why there was an order so we could put a stop to this. And if he had done his job like 4 or 5 months ago, none of this would have happened yesterday. I would not have been physically assaulted. I have spinal injuries. That court security officer who used unlawful excessive force could have murdered me.
Okay, I'll have them call you back.
Thank you.
Bye.